Have you been looking for a performance SUV with styling that won't break the bank? Take a look at this 2019 Alfa Romeo Stelvio TI in Competition Red. With bi-xenon HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, gloss red brake calipers, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, lane departure warning, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 16,000 miles on the odometer, 8.8-inch infotainment system, navigation, rear backup camera, Alpha DNA drive modes, second row USB ports, dual-pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5544.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.